Hey everybody, it's November 26th, the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm out here. The temperature is 47, so we still got pretty good weather for Garden Zone 8A, Mesquite, Texas. But next week, we're going to have a very low temperature of around, I think 27, 29 degrees, something in between there. So I'm going to make sure that I cover some of my tender plants, okay? But today, I'm going to pick some more greens for Thanksgiving and give you just a little quick garden tour of how everything is doing. Okay, let's get started. Here, I just want to show you that the mums are doing good. I'm going to deadhead them in the next day or two. When I would do it right now, but I had to have a little minor surgery on the fistula, and that's the area where I have the dialysis treatment, and I just came back from having that done, so I'm not going to stay out here too long, or my children will come out here and drag me in the house. Now check this out, guys. There, I left a few tomatoes on the vine, and you remember this was trimmed all the way back. And it just lets you know that the leaves will come back if the conditions are favorable. And what I mean by that is we had some temperatures in the upper 80s, but everything will be taken off the vine before we get that temperature in the upper 20s, okay? Harvested a lot of collard greens and cabbage leaves and broccoli leaves. And so I'm gonna come back over here and I am going to harvest a lot so I can cook them today with some smoked turkey wings for Thanksgiving. Look at the dianthus and the rosemary just growing like crazy. And here is some echinacea. I'm gonna have to deadhead this one soon, but we'll be getting more blooms, as you can see right here, up until we get a freeze. Roses are coming back beautifully over here. These are the ones that I transplanted last week, and I did a video on it. Remember, I scooped some out of here. Look at them, they're growing like crazy. Now, these collards can take a low temperature. I won't be covering them up. The only thing I'm gonna cover up is these two beds, because I promised my children that I'm not gonna be overworking. Well, I'm gonna harvest these tomatoes down here. These are the tiny Tims. I started hydroponically upstairs in my bedroom, and then I transplanted them outside in August. Look how beautiful that sage is. Let me back that. I'm gonna gather a lot of that, but that'll come back. I've had it for several years. And I'm gonna show you the strawberries are real good. And look at the green stalks. I have covers for them, so I'm not worried about it. I'll slip the covers on them. And yeah, we got a lot of kale, a lot of spinach. Of course, you guys know that I have onions and society garlic down here, more collards over here. Okay, right over here on this ledge, I removed all of my small pots, as you can see, and they're going to be stored right over there because they're going to be out of the way of the chlorine water from the swimming pool. And I mean, my son-in-law has this covered up and has a pump over there, in case you're wondering what that is. To when it rains, it won't sink the cover all the way down in the water. He didn't have to drain the pool this year. Here are a few reasons why I love the fall. My roses are blooming again. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna take all these jalapeno peppers off of here. If I had more room, I would overwinter this plant, but I don't. So I'm just gonna take all these off and cook them with some greens. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. You guys know that I love you and God loves you too. Bye now. Here are just a few bonus clips of my daughter's decorating for Christmas. She usually has it all done by Thanksgiving, and she doesn't have anything lit up yet, but she will by tomorrow. And this is just downstairs. The kids are doing their homework assignments. She tutors them even when they are out of school for the week of Thanksgiving. And just showing you a little of her decorating abilities. And I'll probably show you some more clips when it's all lit up. I'll film on Thanksgiving. And here's Brian assisting me. Let me show where the cupcakes are going to be for Christmas Eve. And Bria decorated almost all of the trees, except for the big one. She decorated that one with her mom. But Bria is falling into her mother's footsteps, and she's a pretty good little decorator.